Good morning, guys. Welcome to Steve's Vlogs. We got August 3rd, 2017 today. I still have to change my calendar. It still says July. Well, this will be cool. You guys should check this out real quick. There we go. And now, bam. We got a little weather out here today. See, it's been raining on our roof there. Just a little bit of weather rolling in. I think we got some quick storms coming in now, and then just some other scattered storms throughout the day. Raining a little harder now. Okay. So yeah, there you have it. We got a little scattered storms throughout the day today. And that brings us to today's plan. We're off again. We're not going to work today. But today's plan is still kind of up in the air. We could be seeing Sarah later. We could be going to the driving range with Josh and my friend Danny, who you haven't seen in vlogs before. So could do one or the other, or could do both. We'll see what happens as the day progresses, alright? So, August 3rd, 2017, boys. Let's go. This is wave one of many today, boys. It's still bright outside too. Oh, dude, failing. I just had to move my car from outside into the garage. It's amazing how hard it was raining. Like, you could be outside for the shortest time and still get super wet. So like, I have to literally dry off. Alright, this video is now uploading. It's called She Made Us Swear. You can probably figure out who said it. It was Megan. She said it. You already know what it is. Needs to come back home. Need to see her today, but I don't know what she's typing. You know, typing some minutes ago. I don't know. There it is.
There's pictures down on Market Square. She's standing in her underwear, looking down.
While the storm passes, how about a little bit of Steve-osophy for the day? Live life with no regrets. Take chances. If you're ever unsure about something, you should probably just do it. Because even if you fail, you can still say that you tried. And sometimes when you take those chances, it pays off, and it works out great. There will be ups and downs, but just know there's always upsides. And you gotta focus on those. I wouldn't say live life carefree, because there are some things you should care about a lot, but I kind of live carefree. I'm lazy, and I don't really do that much, and I really don't care about the stuff I do. I only really care about the stuff that I need to. Other than that, just live life to the fullest and in the moment. Eat that message and keep it in your brain or your stomach or wherever. These are good words to live by. This has been a segment of Steve-osophies. Playing online Cards Against Humanity. I'm the Foundation Kid, and I have one win. Like, I won a round, so let's see, am I gonna win this one? Who won? Aww. A revote. I'm gonna win this one. Oh. Dude, I was one away from winning. 4-3. Come on. Just been chilling all day and had some pizza. Now we're gonna go get Josh, and we're gonna try to go to the driving range, but it's definitely gonna be closed just because it's been raining all day. And it is now. But we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. Alright? Alright. Alright guys, we have arrived home for the night at 10:55 p.m. today. So, recap of what we did. Not the driving range, because it was just raining too much, and it was raining on and off all day, and we couldn't do it. The range would be closed, and we thought, why make the trip if we know it's going to be closed? Honestly, it could have been open, but it's about 98% sure it wouldn't be, so we decided to skip it. And instead, we went to this place called Sky High Sports. There isn't even much of these in the United States, but lucky for us, there's one close to home. So, you guys know what it is. It's just this huge trampoline place where there's one big area for trampolines only, and then there's a foam pit, and next to it is a basketball hoop, and then on the other side there's a dodgeball arena, and then there's just some other small trampoline areas. Always dominate in dodgeball. That is so much fun. But it hurts without warm-up, so, you know, your arm really gets sore at the end. Also, you get really thirsty doing this, because it's a lot of exercise, and you're jumping around all day. You just get really dehydrated, and you need to drink water, so drink a bunch of water. And then after we did that, we just kind of chilled out for a while, and here we are now. Altogether, it was a lot of fun. Good time, 10 out of 10, would do it again. Well, that'll conclude today's vlog. Not too much in it, and we are already at the end of our 2-day off stretch. We go back to work tomorrow. Bunny crossing the street. Well, car coming. A lot of fun though. Now we're just gonna go inside and have some ice cream and just chill out, watch TV for a bit. Thank you guys for sticking through. Thank you guys for watching, or whoever does, you know, the 10-15 people that watch, with 3 views being myself. Let's pick up that number 19, alright? Let's get some more subs and some more views. I'm sure if I keep doing this, it'll eventually come, right? Or someone can help me make a viral video, maybe, too. Alright, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and that'll conclude Thursday, August 3rd, 2017. Thank you to the Perfectionista family, and y'all have a good night. See ya.